Welcome back. Keeping your iPhone battery life healthy is a perpetual struggle for most iOS users. After all, there's nothing worse than the dreaded low battery indicator when you need your smartphone the most. But there are a few things you can do to stretch your battery life even further, and one of them is turning off background app refresh. In this video, we're gonna look at how to turn off background app refresh on an iPhone. If this finds useful, stick till the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Let's begin. Turning off background app refresh on an iPhone is extremely useful, as it can squeeze a little more battery out of each charge. If you're unfamiliar with this iPhone feature, it essentially allows an app to refresh continually, even when not in use. This is great for ensuring your apps are always up to date, but all this background activity can take a noticeable toll on your iPhone's battery. Thankfully, turning off this is a very simple task that takes a matter of seconds. Plus, it's just as easy to reverse, so you can switch the setting on and off as required. It's just one of a number of tips and tricks you can perform to save battery life on your iPhone. And without further delay, here's how to turn off background app refresh on your iPhone. Initially, navigate to Settings, and once in the Settings menu, select General. In the General submenu, select Background App Refresh. Then tap Background App Refresh at the top of the screen. Select Off from the list of 3 options. Alternatively, you can set your iPhone to only use background app refresh when it's connected to Wi-Fi. Optionally, instead of fully disabling background app refresh, you can toggle the feature on or off for each individual app installed on your device. This is useful if you have a few favorite apps that you'd like to keep refreshing in the background, while still disabling the feature for non-essential apps. That's all there is to it. You know how to turn off background app refresh on your iPhone. The feature definitely adds convenience, but comes at a cost to battery life. We recommend switching it off when you know you'll be away from a charger for several hours. It should also be noted, the feature is automatically disabled if you place your iPhone into low power mode. That's the video, guys. Hope it is useful, and if you have any suggestions, feel free to comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.